is the anterior posterior view of the dorsum of the hand. It have the carpal bones, 8 carpal bones, and the metacarpal bones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metacarpal bones, and 14 phalanges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 carpal bones, phalanges, 14 phalanges. This have 8 carpal bones. It is divided two parts. Let's see what are the proximal row bones and what are distal row bones. There are 8. Okay. Let's see. This is proximal row. In proximal row we have 4 bones. What are that? First one is scapula. Second one is the lunate. Third one is triquet. And the fourth one is pisiform. Okay. The scapula have the boat-shaped bone in proximal end. In this point, you will see this is scapula, and this is boat-shaped bone in proximal end. This is boat-shaped bone in proximal end. Second one is the lunate. Lunate is half moon shaped. This is situated in near to the scaphoid bone in the lateral side. This is lunate. Third one is triquetral. Triquetral is a pyramidal shaped bone in proximal row. This is triquetral. And fourth one is the pisiform. Pisiform is situated here, but it is not visible in this picture. Pisiform. These are the 4 proximal row bones in carpal stress joint. These are attached to the next the distal row. In this distal row we have 4 bones. What are that? First one is the trapezoid. Second one is trapezium. Third one is capitate. Fourth one is hamate. These are the 4 distal row bones in carpal stress joint. What are that? In this picture we will see trapezoid. This is trapezoid above to the scaphoid bone. This is trapezoid. Trapezoid is a quadrangular in shape and has a crest and groove anteriorly. It has a concavo-convex articular surface distally. This is a quadrangular surface quadrangular shaped bone in the distal end. Next, the trapezium. Trapezium is a distal row bone in wrist joint, carpal bone. It is shaped have a shoe of the baby. That means it have this shaped bone. Baby shoe shaped bone. This is trapezium. You can see this trapezium. Okay. Next, capitate. Capitate is the largest bone in carpal bones. In 8 carpal bones, capitate is largest bone. Okay. Final, the hamate. Hamate is a wedge-shaped bone, and it has hook near its base. It have hook-shaped end. That's why it's called as hamate. This is hamate. Hook of the hamate. Okay. These are 8 bones of the carpal bones in wrist joint. The metacarpal bones. Metacarpal bones have 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 metacarpal bones, and it is expanded in the base. This is base of metacarpal bones, and this is head of the metacarpal bones. This is rounded in shape. This is irregular in shape. What are the specification of the metacarpal bones means? The head and shaft are prismoid. This is prismoid and equal. The shaft of the uniform thickness. All this metacarpal bone shaft have the uniform thickness, and the dorsal surface of the shaft has elongated flat triangular area. This is dorsal surface. This bone's dorsal surface have flat and triangular area. Next, the base is irregular. The base of the metacarpal bones are irregular in shape. This is the specifications of the metacarpal bones. This is attached to the phalanges. In a wrist joint and the palm of the hand, we have 14 phalanges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The thumb have 2 phalanges, and this have 3, and another 4 fingers are 3 phalanges. Total 14 phalanges. The phalanges is also have the base, shaft, and the head and palm of the hand. Total anatomy. This is see another revision. This is have wrist joint or wrist and hand. This have 8 carpal bones, 5 metacarpal bones, and 14 phalanges. That's it.